This lockdown period has been tough for everyone, but we are not going to give up. Keep moving, guys, and stay fit. This time, I'm going to skip differently with some ankle weights. Let's see what happens. Whenever I pick up a cricket bat, I think of three people who played an integral part in my life in making me who I am today. It has to be my brother who decided to take me to Achrekar sir. And one thing I know for sure, that my brother wasn't there with me physically all the time I walked out to bat, but mentally he was always there, my silent companion. So whenever I walked out to bat, I knew my brother is also walking out with me to bat. When it comes to Achrekar sir, what can I say about Achrekar sir? The number of hours that he's spent on my batting, taking down all those notes, be it a match or even for that matter a practice session, he would note down all those mistakes and areas where I could get better. Spent hours on end discussing cricket with him. Last but not the least, my father. He always told me, don't take shortcuts. Prepare yourself properly. And above all, don't ever lower your values. However much I talk about these three gentlemen, it's never enough. Today, we all Indians have shown that our fight against COVID-19, we've all come together while we've continued to stay away from each other also. So well done on that front to everyone. We will continue to fight this dangerous virus by maintaining social distancing. How can I forget to thank all the people who've been involved in working selflessly for our safety. A big thank you.